Then amazing fact about Mexico. Chichen Itza, one of the new seven wonders of the world. This ancient Mayan city in Yucatan is famous for its precious pyramid, El Castillo. Teotihuacan, known as the City of the Gods, the archaeological site near Mexico City features the iconic Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon. Palenque, a breathtaking Mayan city in Chiapas, famous for its intricate carvings, temples, and the tombs of Pacal. Uxmal, a magnificent Mayan city in Yucatan, known for its intricate Uxmal architecture and the Pyramid of the Magician. Tulum, a well-preserved Mayan coastal city in Quintana Roo, offering stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. Guadalajara, featuring colonial landmarks like the Oztec Cabaña in the Cathedral. Monte Albán, an Aztec Zapotec city in Oaxaca, is known for its impressive terraces, pyramids, and volcanoes. El Tajín, a unique Tonac archaeology site in Veracruz, famous for the Pyramid of the Night, the historic center of Mexico City, home to the Zócalo, the Metropolitan Cathedral, the National Palace, and the Templo Mayor, blending Azteca and colonial history. San Miguel de Allende, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with stunning colonial architecture and the iconic parroquia de San Miguel Arcángel.